we have come to the conclusion that there is a small anomaly in the air intake, and we can hear it but we cannot fully diagnose it. We are going to be flash tuning the ECU of this 1.5 diesel Rapid for our diesel entry, and as you can see right now, Niranjan is sorting out all the cables. We are going to be flashing the flashing the ECU straight from the OBD, and we were expecting to see around 136 horses from a stage 1. Okay, so update is that we have removed the stock file from the ECU in the Rapid. Now we're going to develop a new file for the Rapid according to what we wanted to do, and again then we're going to flash it to the ECU, and then we're going to be all hunky-dory.
So as Bhavneet explained, we have taken a stock file read from the car, and now we have opened it on our software ECM Titanium. We can see multiple maps here for fuel quantity, injection timing, turbo pressure, rail pressure. So we'll be adjusting all of them. This engine has already been developed by me on the dyno earlier. So what values have to be put and all is already tested. So I'll just be preparing a new file and we'll be installing it in the car.
So we are at the final stage of the Rapid's ECU tune-up. As you can see, the computer is flashing the final developed ECU right now as we speak. And with the power of tech wizardry, we're going to have a valley run ready Rapid anytime soon. So we are out in the Rapid for a quick test, and just to find out that everything's going all okay, everything's running smoothly, because we don't want any discrepancies, especially at the run, or even more embarrassing if anything happens during the run. So we are out just to see if everything's going right, everything's going wrong. As of now, all good. So after the test drive, we have come to the conclusion that there is a small anomaly in the air intake, and we can hear it but we cannot fully diagnose it. So we are currently digging in and finding out what's going on.
Turned out that the airbox hoses had come out a little loose, which were making excess whooshing noises. So we quickly changed the clips of the hoses and we were all set. The Rapid was all set for the run, and we were expecting it to put out some decent times on the strip. Expected power output of the 1.5 TDI was about 135 horses, along with a massive 300 Newton meters of torque. But the Rapid faced the same issues of the Laura and the Swift: grip and driver practice.
Thank you so much for watching this video. This was your boy Bhavneet. See you in the next one.
If you liked our designs and you want to look as fly as us at the Valley Run, you can check out our designs, other people's designs, the Throttle stores, their own designs on keychains, mugs, masks, t-shirts, anything you piston heads fancy at www.throttlestore.co.in www.throttlestore.co.in